I've always been interested in cars since I was little. I just wanted to have an idea of what I could be getting myself into for the future. I just wanted to get an idea for what college would feel like in high school still, so I have an idea of what I want to do. And
I like doing a lot of body work and metal shaping and straightening. That's the majority of it.
Learned how painting techniques, masking.
In this industry, technology is an extremely big thing. It keeps getting, I don't know, more and more advanced as time goes on. And so having the technology is a really, really big help.
The collision repair program is very, very good. It's one of the best here in Iowa.
Yeah, I actually like the class sizes because it's a lot more one-on-one time and you can ask the instructor a lot more questions rather than having 30, 40, 50 kids in one class.
I guess I like it here more because I like doing hands-on. It's something that just interests me more than being in a classroom for 40 minutes.
It's one of 17 schools throughout the U.S. that's NATEF, ASC, and ICAR certified.
At SWCC, your collision repair career starts here.